iOS 17.3, fresh features and possible release date. Apple gears up for the next iOS update with iOS 17.3 in beta, bringing a headline feature dubbed Stolen Device Protection aimed at safeguarding users from phone thefts. This protective layer operates if both the iPhone and passcode are stolen, adding an extra security level. This new feature adds an additional layer of security in the unlikely case that someone has stolen your phone and also obtained your passcode, says Apple. Scheduled for a potential release in late January, iOS 17.3 follows the trend set by prior versions, aiming a comprehensive launch after further beta testing. The update also marks the return of collaborative playlists in Apple Music, enabling users to create shared playlists with emoji reactions. While these are the standout features for now, Apple might surprise us with more enhancements before the official rollout. Additionally, discussions about potential compliance with European Union regulations regarding digital app stores remain a hot topic, hinting at possible third-party app store support and site loading on the horizon. According to the release schedules of iOS 15.3 and iOS 16.3, our current projection anticipates the launch of iOS 17.3 in the latter part of January. This timeline allows Apple the window to unveil supplementary betas and accommodates the holiday season, during which several Apple engineers may be on reduced working schedules. iOS 16.3 released on January 23, 2023. iOS 15.3 released on January 26, 2022. iOS 14.3 released on December 14, 2020. iOS 13.3 released on December 10, 2019.